Here we are on Christmas Island. A nice morning, 10 o'clock on a Wednesday. Looking over Flying Fish Cove and the port. You can see here we have a container ship, the Island Trader, which brings supplies to and from the island. Now when she comes in deep draft and can't get underneath the shore crane, we make her fast on the buoys. We then have to strap the two barges together to make a platform to carry containers between the shore and the ship. See, the barge is alongside now with the container, and the ship's crane will shortly lift the container off the barges and onto the ship. The barges will then come back to the shore. You can see the shore crane is preparing another container to go out to the ship. Just lowering it over the cliff edge now. Although Christmas Island is a deep water port, and that ship there is sitting in about 50 metres of water, when you get close to, you can see by the different colour of the water, it gets quite shallow at the base of the cliff. And it's only just over 5 metres under the crane, and this ship's over 6 metres, so we can't get her in.